Hey guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets which you definitely need. I request you to watch the full video. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Are you looking for a comfortable and stylish addition to your bathroom? The Cobblestone Embossed Bathroom Carpet is the perfect solution. This bath mat is different from other mats. It has thick and soft memory foam that makes it very comfortable for your feet. Additionally, this bathroom carpet quickly absorbs water, keeping your feet warm and dry while preventing slips on wet floors. The bottom of the mat is made of PVC, which keeps it securely in place on wooden or tiled floors without causing damage. Not just for bathrooms, this versatile mat can be used anywhere, such as bedrooms, living rooms, toilets, and powder rooms. Are you tired of constantly cleaning up water drips from your faucet handle? Introducing the KitchenGuard Silicone Faucet Handle Drip Catcher Mat, the perfect solution to keep your faucet area dry and clean. Designed with draining capabilities, this mat gathers water and drips it directly into the sink, keeping the back of your faucet handle dry and clean. The mat is also perfect for drip drying glasses, sponges, cups, or anything else you need. With its pre-cut complex shape, the diameter of the middle hole is adjustable and fits most faucet tubes within 2.5 inches. And not just for kitchens, this versatile mat can be used in almost any room with a faucet, including bathrooms, laundry rooms, and more. Order your KitchenGuard mat today and enjoy a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Get yours now. Do you dislike dusting your home? It takes a lot of time and effort. Luckily, we have a solution that will make dusting much easier. Meet the rotating spin cleaner, a cleaning device that uses electricity to do the work for you. Its brush bristles clean your house effectively, and it's powered by batteries, so it's quick to use. The rotating spin cleaner's brush head rotates 360 degrees, making it easy to reach all the spots that need cleaning. You can adjust the size of the rotating spin cleaner by adding or taking away extension rods. This means you can use it to clean both high and low places around your home. So try it out and say goodbye to dust and hello to a cleaner home. If you're tired of struggling with dull knives in the kitchen, we have just the solution for you. Introducing the Kitchen Knife Electric Sharpener. This small and lightweight sharpener is designed to be easy to store and use, taking up minimal space in your kitchen. With its minimalist style and geometrically beautiful design, this sharpener adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Equipped with a high-quality motor that operates at high speed and efficiency, this sharpener can sharpen your knife in just 5 seconds without damaging the blade. And with a simple one-button control, using this sharpener couldn't be easier. And with its wide range of applications, this sharpener is suitable for a variety of knives, such as kitchen knives, scissors, cooking knives, fruit knives, and more. Looking for a humidifier that does more than just improve the air quality in your home? Look no further than the Clean Air Anti-Gravity Humidifier. This top-of-the-line humidifier not only releases a therapeutic mist into the air, but also features an innovative display with a water drop design. The built-in clock and USB port make it easy to keep track of time and charge your device, while the tranquil tone options create a calming atmosphere. Whether you're looking to improve your breathing, relieve congestion, or simply enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy, the anti-gravity humidifier is perfect for you. Order yours today. Are you tired of unreliable flashlights that just don't cut it when you need them the most? Introducing the LED rechargeable torchlight, the ultimate solution for all your lighting needs. With its exquisite design and convenient features, this high-lumen flashlight is perfect for any situation. It comes with 4 different lighting modes: low brightness, medium brightness, high brightness, and strobe, so you can adjust the intensity based on your needs. And with its IPX5 grade waterproof rating, you can use it in any weather condition without worrying about damage. It has a built-in 8,000 mAh large capacity lithium battery and a USB output port, which means it can also serve as a power bank to quickly and conveniently charge your other devices. Do you want a pretty fruit holder that's also practical? The fruit plate with wood holder is perfect for you. This holder is made of bamboo and wood, so it's strong and looks great in any room. There are multiple trays, so you can store all your favorite fruits, vegetables, and snacks in one place. You can use this holder for lots of different things, like parties or birthdays. It's really useful for weddings too. The ceramic plate is designed to hold all kinds of fruit, big or small, without them falling official. Don't settle for boring fruit holders. Get the fruit plate with wood holder and make your life more fun. Introducing the ultimate in luxurious dining, the Luxury Cutlery Set 24 pieces. Its clean design and black gold color make it perfect to use for special occasions. This cutlery set is made from high-quality stainless steel, which means you can use it for a long time. And because it has a simple design, it will never go out of style. Your guests will be impressed when you bring out this cutlery set. It also makes a great gift for housewarming parties. Make sure to wash the set before you first use it. When it's time to clean up after your meal, simply put it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. To keep it looking its best, rinse off any food immediately. Are you tired of struggling to clean stubborn stains? Well, we have great news for you. Introducing the all-purpose cleaning brush, the perfect solution to all your cleaning needs. This brush is designed to handle any cleaning task, making your life easier and your home cleaner than ever before. Whether you're scrubbing dishes or tackling tough stains in the kitchen or bathroom, this brush can do it all. With its tough bristles and comfortable grip, this cleaning brush makes cleaning a breeze. It's easy to use and gets the job done quickly and efficiently. By using this cleaning brush, you can give your home the glow up it deserves and create a safe and healthy environment for you and your family. Introducing the Twist and Mount Octopus Mini Fan, the ultimate solution to all your summer woes. This cooling fan is equipped with 3 long curved blades and features 360-degree rotation. You can rotate it to any angle. And with its portable twistable tripod, this Octopus fan can be mounted on just about anything: a bicycle, a chair, a table, a hanging rack, or anything else you can think of. With its 3 speed modes, high, medium, and slow, you can easily adapt to your temperature requirements and stay free from sweat and relaxed in warm weather. This fan is powered by a quality battery system that's easily chargeable through a USB interface, so you can stay cool and comfortable wherever you go. Introducing our kitchen multifunctional salad utensils vegetable chopper, the perfect solution for quick and easy vegetable preparation. This manual shredder is ideal for chopping carrots, potatoes, and other vegetables, making it a must-have kitchen tool for any home cook. The chopper's durable construction is made to last, ensuring that you can continue to use it for years to come. Its sharp blades make chopping a breeze, while its ergonomic design ensures complete comfort and safety during use. Order yours today and experience the joy of hassle-free salad preparation. Introducing the innovative 360-degree food container and dispenser, the perfect solution for storing and dispensing seeds, nuts, or raw food with ease and convenience. This unique container features a sleek and modern design with a clear, airtight lid that keeps your food fresh and dry while allowing you to see exactly what's inside. With its 360-degree rotating base, this food container and dispenser makes it easy to access your food from any angle. Simply turn the container to dispense the perfect amount of seeds, nuts, or raw food every time. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, this food container and dispenser is built to last and designed to make your life easier. Order now and enjoy the convenience and efficiency of this innovative food storage solution today. Are you getting bored with your air fryer meals? Check out the 8-piece air fryer accessories set. With this set, you can bake cakes, cook pizzas, and even make skewers. First, we have the clip and tong for safely lifting hot plates without burning your hands. There's the cake barrel, perfect for baking cakes, bread, and quiches in a quick and healthy way. Maximize your cooking space with the metal holder. It lets you cook 2 layers of food at once. The non-slip deep dish baking tray is perfect for making pancakes, eggs, potatoes, quesadillas, or even giant cookies. Finally, the silicone mat gives you a safe surface to put your hot accessories on. Are you tired of worrying about cutting your fingers while chopping vegetables or carving meat? Look no further than the stainless steel kitchen knife finger guard. This innovative tool provides unbeatable finger protection while cutting and slicing. The open loop design fits most fingers and is suitable for left or right hand use. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this finger protector is strong enough to absorb any razor-sharp knife. And with its lightweight design, you won't even feel it on your fingers during long periods of use. The finger shield size can be easily adjusted with the open loop design, and the finger ring is adjustable to fit most fingers comfortably. Are you tired of waiting hours for your food to defrost? Introducing the Fast Defrosting Tray, the safest way to defrost your food quickly and naturally. Unlike hot water or a microwave, the tray maintains the original taste and nutrition of your food, defrosting it in minutes, even when frozen solid. The natural thaw of the tray prevents the breeding of bacteria, ensuring that your food stays safe and healthy. And when compared to thawing in hot water, which can lead to nutrient loss, or thawing in the microwave, which destroys taste, the tray is the clear choice for maintaining the quality of your food. Looking for a reliable and effective way to deter intruders? Look no further than the doorstop alarm. This handy security device is perfect for homes, hotels, and office buildings. Simply place the alarm behind the door and turn it on. If someone tries to force the door open, the alarm will emit a loud sound 120 decibels and start flashing a red light. The intruder will be scared off and you'll be alerted to the attempted break-in. The doorstop alarm is also great for peace of mind when traveling. Take it with you when you go on vacation or business trips, and rest assured that your hotel room is secure. Are you tired of boring lunches on the go? Introducing the electric heating lunchbox. This lunchbox is made with high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring that your food stays at a constant temperature. The SUS 304 steel line is healthy and free of heavy metals, so you can rest assured that your meals are safe to eat. The upgraded 12 volts for a heating plug keeps your lunch warm and in a sustainable constant temperature state. And with the intelligent temperature adjustment, you can control the heating state for optimal temperature. With its double-soled leak-proof design, this lunchbox is safe to carry around wherever you go. And the food-grade PP insulation cover can even be used as a small bowl at any time. Introducing the double-sided non-stick portable toast maker. A portable toast maker allows you to make toast quickly and easily wherever you are. You don't need to use a full-sized oven or stove, which can be time-consuming and difficult to clean. As the name suggests, portable toast makers are designed to be easy to transport. They are lightweight and compact, making them ideal for travel, camping trips, or even for use in a small kitchen. This toast makers use less energy than full-sized ovens or stoves, which can save you money on your energy bills. This portable toast makers have removable, non-stick plates that are easy to clean and simply wipe. Introducing the multifunctional sink swan drain basket, the innovative solution to your sink organization problems. Made from sturdy plastic material, this drain basket is durable and long-lasting, able to withstand multiple washes. Its space-saving design allows you to neatly organize dish sponges and cloths on top of the faucet, maximizing your sink space. The practical design of this sink storage rack includes non-slip strips that are thick and durable, with dense patterns and smooth drainage. The dense holes in the sink basket allow water to flow freely and quickly, making it perfect for washing fruits and vegetables. Introducing the wall-mounted tissue box, with a variety of features that make it a must-have for any home. The double waterproof paper towel holder is perfect for those wet hands and spills. It is wall-mounted and punch-free, so you don't have to worry about damaging your walls. The semi-automatic switch allows for easy access to the tissue box with just one press. Press again to lock the lid securely in place. The practical large drawer is perfect for storing other small items like cotton swabs or hair ties. The powerful storage rack can hold other bathroom essentials like toothbrushes or soap. And if you need to use your phone or tablet while in the bathroom, the mobile phone amplifier groove and convenient iPad rack make it easy. With its sleek design and variety of features, the wall-mounted tissue box is the perfect addition to any bathroom. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.